Every 5 Scots lives in Greater Glasgow, and Glaswegians are friendly, unpretentious, and happy to rave about their town. What's that? What's that mean? The accent can be a little hard to understand. Say it again, like real slow and clear.
Shite on your shoe.
I don't know what you said, but okay, all right, see you. But eventually, I developed an ear for it. So, and the people here are just like incredibly friendly?
Well, those two aren't, but generally they are.
They say you guys know how to have fun.
Oh, yes. Oh, 100%, yes.
Yeah, I mean...
100%, we know how to have fun. Definitely. On our way for a cocktail.
Oh, you are?
A person at Glasgow is more fun at a funeral than a person from Bedford does at a wedding.
They don't have money to be grumpy.
Ah, they don't have money to be grumpy.
I think it comes from a pessimistic kind of view. You think things are going to be bad, so you make the most of it and you have a laugh.
Listen to the.
Unpretentious. Unpretentious. Unpretentious.